If you have access to a master, you can access the Course Manager tool from either the course card, as you see here, or from the main menu by clicking on the master and seeing the Course Manager here. We'll click on the Course Manager for this example, and it's broken up into 3 sections: Course Enrollments, Course Tools, and Section Tools. Course enrollments help you review and manage the course enrollments. Enrollments should be limited to teachers and other content authors. To add another content author, click Add Enrollment, choose the role Owner or Teacher. Owner will give them full authoring rights. Then you can find the user. If you know the name, type it in, or you can use the Browse button to find the person that you want to add. And when you're ready, you can click Enroll. To drop an enrollment, check the box next to the enrollment and click Delete Enrollment. Course tools, such as the Activities and Editor, are used to create, review, and manage settings, content, and activities for the master course and its derivative courses. If you click on the Activities or Editor, it'll take you to that section of the master course. The Section tool is used for those courses with student enrollments. The master would not have student enrollments because that is where you're making content changes. You have access to the gradebook, reports, and people page for each of the sections related to the master. And when you're ready to return to the dashboard, click your menu and click the Home icon.